Hey guys, how are you? Brandon, Auto Advantage with the beauty again. You must get sick of hearing it, but it's the truth. This is a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 2500 6-liter Vortec. Can tow 9,400 pounds with a gas motor. Let's take a walk outside and let's look around. It does have power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Has the braking hitch assembly, AC cranks. It's on right now. 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, 4-wheel drive, like I mentioned. And it's in an awesome color, one of the best-selling colors made, which is white. Look at this beauty. Look at the tires. Chrome bumper, Vortec. One of the best gas engines for pulling made. There's the engine. Take a walk around. Beautiful. It's got in the back what's called a headache rack, running boards, 2500 HD, headache rack, metal. Nothing's gonna slide in the back through that window. Of course, great for a work truck, great for towing. It is the LT model. This won't last long, I know, because we looked up comps and there's about one of these in a 400-mile radius. Not a lot. That's because owners don't sell them, because they last, and it's one of the best gas engines made, and that's the truth for towing. As you can see, it's clean. Rear seats fold up. Like I mentioned, power mirrors. Everything works in this beauty, okay? Give us a call or a text at 760-280-7648. Again, this is Brandon from Auto Advantage. We do have financing. We do take trades. All of our vehicles come with a complimentary warranty. Here's the bed, spare tire, tow hitch, wiring harness. It's just a beauty. It's just a beauty. If you need to tow anything, need a capable truck to go to the desert, this is the truck. Passenger seat, back seat passenger, floor jacket in the back. It's ready to go, guys. Again, Brandon, Auto Advantage, 760-280-7648. Come see us. Come bring your trade-ins. We're located at 1150 West Mission Avenue, Escondido, California. Or you can check us out on our website, www.ibuycleancars.com. Look forward to meeting you. Ask for Brandon.